How to fix a missing toolbar in Microsoft Word. You open Microsoft Word to write a document, but the entire top toolbar with all your font, spacing, and formatting options has completely vanished. Trying to type blindly without your tools is incredibly frustrating. Don't panic, your toolbar isn't uninstalled, it's just accidentally hidden. So let's lock it back into place instantly. So let's bring it back into view right now. Look at the very top of your screen where the tab names like Home, Insert, and Layout are sitting. If you can see those tabs, simply move your mouse up and double click on any of them, like the Home tab. As you can see, when I double click, it disappears or appears again. If you do that once, if it's hidden for you, the full toolbar will drop back down and lock permanently into place. If you prefer using keyboard, you can hit the exact same trigger by pressing Ctrl F1 on Windows. Or if you're on Mac, that's going to be Command plus Option plus R. And this instantly toggles the menu bar between hidden mode and pinned mode. Now, what if your screen is completely blank and you can't even see the words Home or Insert? That means Word has entered full screen or auto hide mode. To fix this, move your cursor to the absolute top right corner of the window. Right next to the minimize and close buttons, look for the ribbon display options icon. It looks like a tiny box with an upward facing arrow inside it, or just 3 small dots depending on your version. So as you can see, we have also this menu. As you can see, we have full screen mode. In order to deactivate it, 3 dots, and now you're back. From the list of options, you just also can click Show Tabs and Commands, and your entire formatting toolbar will instantly snap back down into view and stay there. Your workspace interface is now completely restored, ensuring every formatting tool stays exactly where it belongs while you work. That's it, guys. Now you have your work is restored. Enjoy and see you soon.